How to make a conference call on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to make a conference call on WhatsApp. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, we will launch WhatsApp and sign into your account. Now you can use the search button at top right corner to find a contact by entering their name. Or else, what you can do is you can come to your home screen and tap on their chat and go ahead and open the conversation. You can tap the call button in top right corner of your screen and start a call. Similarly, you can easily add contacts to an ongoing call also. If you have already started a call with one contact, you can add or tap the add contact button at top right corner and select additional contacts to join your existing call. Once they pick up, they will be added to the conference call. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.